Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report sponsored by Delta.Exchange. What a volatile market. I think with today, 20 trading sessions are over in February and every single trading session, market has been hugely volatile. Today you check, Bank Nifty fell 500 point and then shot up 500 point. And in 20 trading session, if I am not wrong, Bank Nifty has moved 20,000 point plus. More than 1000 point on almost everyday basis. And today also no different. And in the morning, everybody expected a market to open higher. Why? Because yesterday the US markets were higher. Nvidia came out with very good results. And GIFT Nifty indicating about 100 point gap up. And people who look at the GIFT Nifty and then opening itself, those who sold put option got into a severe shock and the markets fell, like something about 20, 30 rupees put option going to 100, 150 rupees, like 5 times, 6 times. I think, it should not be named as a GIFT Nifty, it should be named as a punishment Nifty. The people who look at the GIFT Nifty and trade, they uniformly lose and they are being punished heavily. So it should be named as a punishment Nifty. Yeah, so that's just for fun. Now, and who expected Nifty to fall so much when the entire global screen is good? And you may remember about 1 week before, there was a news that, mutual funds pumped in about 14,000 crore to buy the HDFC Bank shares. When this news came, HDFC Bank started moving higher and HDFC Bank moved almost 100 points higher. But what happened yesterday and what happened today? There was a severe selling in HDFC Bank. And today HDFC Bank is the one that contributed highest points on the downside, contributed about 35 points. Right? And I also tweeted once saying that everybody is talking about mutual funds buying 14,000 crores worth of HDFC Bank in the month of January, but nobody is talking who are those people who sold those 14,000 crore worth of shares. So it looks like as and when there is an opportunity, FIIs are offloading their shares in HDFC Bank, and that is what actually creating hell lot of volatility in Bank Nifty and for the whole market also. And when US markets are so good, when Asian markets are so good, when GIFT Nifty indicating 100 point gap up, who would have expected Bank Nifty to fall 500 point from intraday high to intraday low? That too dragged mainly by HDFC Bank. And in fact today Axis Bank was very good, ICICI Bank was good, but Kotak Bank, HDFC Bank and State Bank of India so brought the markets down. And then once the FII selling was over, probably the domestic institutions would have stepped in again to pump in another 14,000 crore to buy the HDFC Bank. But HDFC Bank did not recover much, but all other banks recovered. And more importantly, when banks go up, IT comes down. When IT goes up, banks come down. So today market sentiment was bullish and then IT was hammered. And today there was some severe short covering in TCS particularly. Infosys was not really that good, but TCS was really good. So therefore at the end of the day, market shot up and nobody would have expected. Yesterday for no reason market went up, then more than 250 point fall from intraday high. Today for no reason market went down and then more than 250 points from intraday low to high. And making intraday trading very, very difficult. 1 rupee option going to 10 rupees many times, both put side and call side. So, as I told you, the last few days, even when the markets were rising, the India VIX was rising. And I told you today, when all the events are over, in US also VIX crashed. I think here also I expected the VIX to crash. Yes, unexpected line. India VIX has fallen more than 4.5%. So that is something really very good. So we have only 5 more trading sessions. As I told you earlier, expecting some kind of a consolidation maybe from 250 point plus or minus from where it closed. That is basically between 22,000 and 22,500. And FIIs have sold today, so it was very, very surprising. After 2 days of buying, today they have sold for 1,400 crore. I hope that entire 1,400 crore was in HDFC Bank. I'm not very sure. As I told you yesterday, Whirlpool, similar to that, and today also there is some block deal. So I just forgot the name. Maybe I will check it. I'll get back to you tomorrow morning. So who knows? Some FIA have sold some huge stake in some companies. I'll get the answer tomorrow morning. So probably that could be one reason. Otherwise, as I told you, our market is led by retail people, like going up, coming down, it's going to be like this. Markets are behaving in a random way, right? At least, I trade in US markets. US market is predictable. Okay, today the Fed minutes is there. Oh, Fed minute, good news, market goes up. Bad news, market goes down. NVIDIA results is there. Result good, market goes up. Result, but here, why market goes down, why market goes up, nobody knows. And for no reason, market can fall so much, can shoot up so much, making, intraday trading very, very difficult. So as I told you, for some time, I think I also launched a course. So if you are following my course, I would advise you just to stop intraday trading for some time. It's not that every time we have to be in the market. So maybe I am planning for some new course, also will be a low cost one, some interesting strategy. So let us see how long I take. Maybe sometime I may take about 10-15 days more to launch that program. So meanwhile, so if you are want to sign up for our mentorship program or you want to sign up for our workshop, so you can look at my office phone number in the description, so you can contact our office. So hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.